Namaskar. Dark circles around your eyes are not a disease. They are just the signals from your body to pay attention to your lifestyle and health. The skin under your eyes is the thinnest in your body. So every imbalance shows up there first. And dark circles don't happen overnight. They are caused by many things: late night, poor sleep, stress, dehydration, weak blood circulation, nutritional deficiencies like deficiency of iron, B12 deficiency, and even genetics. But the good news is that before you sleep, you can use natural remedies that can fade dark circles and also nourish and repair delicate skin around your eyes. The first remedy is a gentle almond oil massage. Almond oil is like a liquid gold for your under eye skin. It's rich in vitamin E, antioxidants, and healthy fat that deeply nourishes and strengthens the skin around your under eyes. When you warm 2-3 drops between your fingers and gently massage it under your eyes before going to bed, it improves blood circulation, reduces puffiness, and slowly fades pigmentations. Over time, this simple habit can lighten dark circles and prevent fine lines appearing too early. Next, let's talk about the cooling power of cucumber and potato. You have seen people put cucumber slices on their eyes, but do you know why it works so well? Cucumber is packed with water, vitamin C, and silica that hydrates and refresh tired skin. Potato, on the other hand, contains natural bleaching agent and enzymes that brightens pigmentation. When you place chilled slices of either for 10 minutes before bed, it's like an instant spa therapy, reducing swelling, calming irritation, and giving your under eye a natural glow. The third solution is a milk compress. Raw milk. It may sound too simple, but it's very effective. It contains lactic acid, which gently exfoliates and lightens dark patches, while its protein and healthy fat moisturizes and repairs skin damages. Dipping a cotton ball in chilled milk and applying it under your eyes feels soothing, reduces heat and inflammation, and leaves your skin supple. With consistent use, milk compresses can restore brightness to your under eye area. So, which one you should do daily? While you can rotate these remedies depending on your time, the almond oil massage stands out, the most effective everyday ritual. It requires no preparation, works overnight while you sleep, and directly nourishes your skin. You can combine it with cucumber or milk compresses a few times a week for faster results. But if you have to pick just one, let almond oil be your go-to choice. Natural remedies can do wonders, but to raise dark circles, you also need to make few lifestyle shifts like sleeping 7 to 8 hours regularly, staying hydrated throughout the day, keep iron and vitamin B12 rich food like spinach, beetroot, and lentils, and don't forget to reduce screen time, that too before bed, to prevent eye strain. And finally, manage stress through yoga, meditation, or even a simple breathing practice. Tonight, give your under eyes the care they deserve. Massage almond oil, stay consistent, and back it up with healthy habits. Soon, when you would look into the mirror, you won't see dark circles. You will see fresh, bright, and confident eye looking back at you. Remember, dark circles may not disappear overnight, but slowly as you rest better, eat mindfully, and take care of yourself, they will fade away. Till then, instead of treating them as a flaw, let us accept them as signals guiding us towards better health. And always remember, true beauty is not defined only by the brightness of your skin around the eyes, but by the harmony of inner health. and outer radiance. Namaskar.